let me know if they ask questions and stuff. Put a description or anything?
No, it says 10% for battery.
Tell him I'm reaming out some bolts on his flywheel. Make it fit. Yeah, probably. I'm only taking a little bit of material off though. Silverado.
Silverado?
No, an Envoy. An Envoy. It's a 5.3 liter. Oh, you started it upside right or whatever. I wonder if it's better this way or better that way. Can you look on your phone and see if it's better which way? I don't know which way is up for you guys, but okay. But yeah, this is what I've been working on right here. So this transmission is a 3/4 ton pickup truck transmission, so 4L80, and I've got it connected to a 5.3 liter out of like an Envoy. It's an aluminum block, and to reuse the torque converter, the factory torque converter, you have to ream out these holes just a little bit so you can get the bolts to line up. So, look like Chevy valve covers? It's definitely GM. Upside right? Alright, cool. But I've replaced the oil pan. Can you unplug that? So these are adapter plates here, so that way you can put the factory style clamshell mounts in like the older cars, and they'll just fit right in. And then in my last video that I posted on Facebook, I basically was talking about a oil pan. So this is the new oil pan I purchased. It has a better clearance, so that way when it's in the car, you don't have to worry about hitting the bottom of the oil pan. It's a little bit more, it's a little less deep, more shallow. And it came with this gasket, all the new hardware, and of course a new dipstick. So, but yeah, just working away. I told you guys I was gonna get you a video. I'm still working on the video, so I went ahead and went live. No, there isn't one on this flywheel, because this flywheel was with the original engine and transmission that came out of the Envoy off of this engine. So it's made for like a 4L60E, whereas this is a 4L80E for like a 3/4 ton pickup truck. So, but yeah, if there was a regular hole, I'd be much happier. I wouldn't be out here drilling, that's for sure. Yeah, if I have a lot of vibration, then I'll just go back and get a different flywheel, but I'm gonna try to use the original torque converter for now, just to get the car running. So. And actually, since I'm taking about the same material off in 3 even parts of the flywheel, it should be somewhat symmetrical in how it comes off. So if it does take off the balance, it shouldn't be that much just off of, you know, guessing or whatever, because I'm taking it off on 3 equal parts. So of course I'm not calculating the shavings and weighing them, but I am taking weight off from 3 sides, so it should be relatively the same. All right, Craig, I'll see you tomorrow, bub. Let's see here. So it looks like I did get it to line up, so I'm gonna go ahead and rotate this a little bit more. Go to the next hole. Actually, I need to rotate the actual crank here and do my last hole. I've already done one. This is the second one. I got one more left, and then I'll go ahead and bolt up the torque converter to the flywheel, throw it in there. And then next week, maybe the week after, depending on the weather and whatnot, I'll go ahead and get the harness on this engine, get fuel plumbed up, and throw my intake on and hopefully get it down the road, man. And if that's the case, and I do have a vibration, and that's my only problem, I'll be pretty happy. But it's been a lot of work because I'm doing it all by myself, and just kind of doing the research as I go. But my battery's getting ready to die. I just wanted to give you guys like a little update. I should have a video out on YouTube here, probably tomorrow or this evening later on. And then that'll be like a more detailed video. So, all right, peace.